What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I feel like I haven't uploaded in probably like a month now, so sorry about that. But I've been posting like pretty much every single day on Instagram, so I guess that somehow makes up for it. I don't know. But yeah, today I just kind of, honestly, I don't really know the point of this video today. I'm just trying to get back into YouTube. I've been just going through some shit before, and well, still low-key am, but you know, whatever. So yeah, I'm just kind of feeling really down and tired today, so I was just like, dude, I saw this like motivating like post. I don't know if it was like, I think I saw it on YouTube or like Instagram or something, and yeah, I was like, if you're feeling like sad, I guess, just fucking do your makeup. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're just gonna talk about makeup, and I'm just gonna do my makeup when I'm sad and feeling down. What I'm gonna use is this Reboost My Clarins hydrating mattifying whatchamacallit, like cream. I got this in like PR to test out, and oh my god, I fucking love this shit. It honestly just like makes my skin feel super like just soft, but like not greasy, but also really hydrated. I have like problems with like moisturizers. They usually like make me really fucking greasy, and I hate the feeling of that. Also, excuse my crusty ass nails. They're so bad. But yeah, I guess I should give you guys like maybe a little update. I hate going through these like stages of where I'm like feeling super like low and just depressed. I don't know, there's days when I'm just like super like yay happy and whatever, and then there's days when I'm just feeling like fucking absolute garbage when I don't want to get out of bed or go to work and just do anything, which sucks. But I mean, I feel like this past year has been like a lot better than the past like years, years before, which is I guess good, because I've been like slowly trying to work on myself and trying not to feel this way and just kind of do things. My stomach is growling. I actually have Darren. I was on the phone with Darren earlier, and he's bringing me some Taco Bell. We can get some crunch wrap, which I'm super annoyed about, because I don't know, like, was it a couple years ago? When did they discontinue like double crunch wraps? Like, when did that happen? Why did they have the regular ones? On the double ones. Them things were good as hell. Oh yeah, wow, did I just completely forgot to talk about like the products that I use? Well, the primer that I use is the e.l.f. Puff Puff, I'm fucking high, sorry guys. This is the e.l.f. Puff Puff primer. It's hemp and cannabis sativa, like infused primer. And yeah, I love this shit. It's really good. And then for the eye like serum, it's the Blue Lotus Pureless serum. I've been using that. Yeah, I'm gonna go in with the HD Liquid Coverage Foundation from Catrice Cosmetics foundation on. Oh wow, did I really just not grab any? Fuck. Okay. Ooh. I used to honestly like this foundation, then like I was hating it for a long time, but then like I tried it out the other day, and I used this like the It Cosmetics foundation brush that I got, and like I started like just blending it into my skin instead of like tapping it, and oh my god, I love how this foundation looks on my skin. It literally just like sinks in. Like, I'll show you guys. It literally like sinks in. Like, if I just keep like rolling it like this, it just kind of like just sinks into my skin and just looks so like smooth and like flawless and looks like my skin. But it also gives me really good coverage as well. Good this foundation looks. It's like a tad bit a little darker than my skin tone, but honestly I don't give a primer. We're gonna go in with the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear Concealer. I forget how good this concealer is, bitch. Yeah, I think this might help with like the foundation being a little too dark. I'm just gonna go in with the e.l.f. beauty sponge thing that I have. Oh yeah, this is amazing. This is exactly what I wanted. Some of you are probably like, bitch, that fucking concealer is too dark for, I mean, bitch, that concealer is too light for you. But low-key, I really don't care, and I really like how it looks. And then it kind of just like brightens my face. I don't know. Weird. But like, you guys see it? Like when you like just kind of hook up the light, the super light shade, it just kind of like lightens my face and makes it look a little bit more skinnier. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe translucent like powder. But yeah, what I usually do is just take the sponge and just kind of dab into the powder, and then I'll go and just kind of stamp it underneath my eyes like this. I love this powder. I don't know why so many people like talk shit about Morphe. I mean, like, their fucking products are cheap. What do you expect? Like, you know what I mean? It's like one thing if the palette was like $45 and like your products were like completely garbage, but like, come on, for 20 bucks, it's not that bad. Powder, it's literally $8. Like, I'm not trying to sell you this fucking Laura Mercier powder that's like $50. It's a fucking $8 powder, you know? I get so mad at like certain like people and like the comments that people leave too. It's like, why do you care, you know? I had this one lady comment on my picture on Instagram saying pretty much like, she doesn't follow me, I don't follow her, she's probably like in her 50s or something, but this bitch goes, sorry, not a fan of the purple hair. It's like, okay, why do I care? Like, if you have nothing nice to say, you don't fucking say it. Like, what has that, why are you commenting on my picture, like, you know, about you not liking purple hair? Then don't fucking like the picture. Like, why you gotta comment it and, like, be mean about it, you know what I mean? It's like, you don't see me commenting on, like, random people, strangers, like, oh, I don't like brown hair. Like, fucking Karens in this world. I really just want to have fun, and I need to stop stressing myself out about, like, every single little thing in my life. Yeah, man. It's not good. But yeah, for the bronzer, I'm going to go in with the Milani Big bronzer in Dolce. This is literally my favorite bronzer ever. And by the way, I broke this off so it's easier to like kind of like contour my face with. I don't know. It's just easier. But it's like an e.l.f. brush that I got like 10 years ago. Not even kidding. Probably. I'm just gonna warm my face up a little bit. Just like this. This is like such a nice color of this bronzer. Y'all, looking snatched sometimes honestly just makes me feel so much better. Which is like you don't need makeup to like be pretty, you know, but like it sure fucking helps, you know. Like I feel pretty fucking confident without makeup too, but like wearing it, I'm just like this whole new bitch. I'm started contouring my nose too, so I'm just gonna, this is what I do. It's like honestly probably the shittiest nose contour you'll ever see, but this is what I do. I'm just doing whatever. I'm gonna stamp it. Does that look somewhat okay? I don't know. I feel like I did this crooked. That look fine. I don't know. Whatever, guys. I honestly don't care. For blush, I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal Paradise blush right here, 191, because it was on sale at like Wegmans or something like that. That had like a bin full of makeup, and I just kind of just went a little crazy, kind of blacked out, and just bought so much makeup. But then again, it was really cheap because everything in that bin was like $2. So, what ifs? Go a little overboard with blush, so don't mind me. Beautiful. I'm gonna dust off the translucent powder. Looking fly. And then for the highlight, I think I'm gonna use this like new highlight that I got. It's called like the Ofra Moonstone highlight. Let me just look for it. The highlight, I'm gonna use the Ofra Madison Miller highlight in Moonstone. Ooh, that's cute. This is gorgeous color. I liked it a lot. And then we're gonna go in with this ColourPop Gimme Butterflies eyeshadow palette. Alright, so I'm gonna go in just with these two first shades and kind of just mix them together or do whatever. I don't know what we're gonna do today. I kind of want to do like the black eyeliner like wing thing. I don't know. We'll see. I'm just gonna put that all over my lid though. Just gonna stamp this all over the lid. I'm like so ready for spring and the time change, so it's actually gonna be like nice out and bright, not so like dark and depressing. I hate like winter. At least this winter wasn't that bad, but like there's some winters when I'm just like feeling so shitty. Alright, so that's all for the shadow. Now let me find like a good eye. I'm not gonna really talk too much during this because like I have to focus. Like, do you guys see how like this one's dragging too? Like that's the problem with certain liners. They just don't want to like go on smoothly. Whatever. I guess I tried to do something like this, but it didn't come out that quite nice. Let me find like a better liner for this. Alright, that's a little bit better. So now we're gonna do the same thing on this eye. Alright, so like that's for the like the liner, I guess. So out of these, this one's the best. It's the Kiko Black Magic Liquid Liner. I highly recommend that. That's really good actually. Super easy to use that one. Wow, that's cute. Alright, I'm feeling those. Little something different that I usually don't do. And then I really want to take that glitter, but I'm scared it's gonna go inside of my eye. Alright, let's try it. Let's see if I go blind. So I'm gonna take that white glitter. Alright, and then I'm gonna do the lower lash line. And I kind of want to take that hot pink that's in the palette. For the lashes, I'm gonna go in with these Ardell lashes that I have, and yeah, I'll be right back. Give me 1 second, and I'll be back. Alright guys, so I'm back with the lashes. I really like this, how like the eyeshadow came out with the eye makeup. It's cute, I dig it. So I'm gonna use the LA Girl Precision Precise lip pencil to outline my lips real quick. Yeah, I feel a little bit better after doing my makeup. I'm honestly just really hungry right now. That's all I need is food. But yeah, this is like a really perfect like shade. I really wanted to use my ColourPop BFF liner, but I cannot find it. I think I lost it, so I'm gonna have to buy another one. Alright, so that's all for the lip pencil. And I'm gonna go in with the ColourPop So Juicy lip gloss. On my lips. Ooh, I love this stuff. It makes my lips so like juicy. Literally how like the name of it. This is the finished makeup look, I guess, for when you're sad and you just play around with makeup, and this is what I came out with. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give a thumbs up, you know, whatever. Subscribe, it helps a lot. Check out my Instagram, which is Simi_Violet. And yeah, that's all. I'm sorry this video is kind of like all over the place today, but I just kind of needed to get back into YouTube and I don't know. I wasn't feeling filming today, but I kind of just did it, and yeah, whatever. We'll see how it goes. So yeah, I guess that's all. I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace.